Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can sync your profile with the theme that you are currently using on Discord. So in here, I've already opened the Discord app, and then the first thing that you can do is go to your profile and click on the settings at the top right corner. Then just scroll down and tap on the accessibility options under the app settings. Tap on that, and in here, let's scroll down again. So there is this profile colors option. So if you want to sync your profiles with your Discord theme, you can just enable this feature, this one. So just click on this, and just like that, now every time you change the theme, it will sync with your profile colors. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.